Stand is again down.
Heavy chikuba.
Mweba kapapa.
Aliwa.
Nani mbaki ya. Mweba. Bangali nzigeni abdaba nzigeni. Singiza kubantu bela kusikiliza wa. No mai. Nete mweze zabundi. Kati awonche. Awonche.
Wenda ba. Wenipa. Enfune wenda.
Tufunga tuzina juu.
How are you?
Sound system yawa ekola bulungi sana mulimu emizinda Church. So, I again this line. Oh, Gamba, Chagulani, Yataka, everyone over Chagulani. Vamos. Definitely.
It may please you, my lord. Appearance for the prosecution team in this case is as before. And for the record, hello, my name is Wakoli Samari. I am appearing in this matter with Mr. Mwaganya Jonathan. He's a chief state attorney, and Miss Anna Kiza is also chief state attorney. My lord, on watching brief, we have near counsel Ms. Kutana, Edgar Ayevaziwe. We have counsel Brian Rubihayo. My lord, the defense team is jointly presented by two law firms, but I've been informed Mr. Katanga is not able to join us. But we have, who is Moana? Is coming. Okay. And then we have counsel Agatsi Peter, Mr. Jet Tumweraze, Mr. Elton Karuhanga. My lord, all the five accused persons. Oh, in Jersey. My apologies. My lord, all the five accused persons are present in court, and so are the assessors. The matter comes up today for cross-examination of A1, and we are ready to proceed. My lord, my colleague Jonathan Waganya will start, and then I'll close.
That's true, my lord. We are ready to proceed. But before we do, my lord, we wanted to be clear on record that the defense disclosed the documents possible defense witnesses my lord, we take it that there's no witness that is not mentioned in their current documents. That shall be called. So in as much as they never provided a list as required, we take it that we can deduce the list from the very documents that they submitted. Because we programmed this cross-exam, my lord, bearing in mind their disclosures. My lord, I believe that accused is reminded that she's still bound by the oath that she took, if she may. Madam Katanga, you understand the implications of the oath that you took at the commencement of your evidence in chief. We shall request you to speak a little louder. Do you?
I do.
You can't hear her. Please. Thank you, my lord.
Please, just to speak so we are sure that we can hear you.
Yes, please.
For avoidance of doubt, when you take oath, you are bound to tell court the truth. Is that something in your knowledge?
Yes.
And in a criminal trial like this one, if you tell any lies, the court can use those lies against you. Do you understand that implication?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we have several instructions from the state, and our duty is to put these instructions to you on behalf of court, and your questions. Do you also understand that?
Yes, I do.
So, besides the names More Katanga, you are also known as Bananuche.
Yes, ma'am.
I shall again request you to be a little bit louder so that the judge takes your answers.
Okay.
Nanuche. And for these questions, just provide us a yes or no answers to save time. You testified that the deceased assaulted you using a baton.
Yes, ma'am.
That baton was wooden.
Was metallic. Was metal.
It is your testimony that you developed multiple lumps in your breasts
Yes, ma'am.
as a result of that assault.
Yes, ma'am.
It is also your testimony that as a result of that alleged assault, you developed high blood pressure.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, when you speak up, it enables your lawyers to follow as well. Is the answer?
Yes.
Maybe can you just repeat the question?
As a result of the assault, she developed high blood pressure. And the answer is yes. Is also your testimony that as a result of the alleged assault, you can't walk or sit unsupported, correct?
I can't stand. I can't walk unsupported.
We can't hear you, ma'am.
I cannot walk or stand unsupported.
You can't walk or
Stand
stand
unsupported.
unsupported.
Yes.
I asked the IT to just program it until I give you instructions. It is a flash disk.
We'll reach there.
No, we want to watch it. You have to watch it.
Wait for the instructions,
You
counsel.
can show it to the court.
May my land brothers be reminded that this is cross-examination.
God, because examination, we can't even give witnesses documents. I'm not giving it to another. I see what you're saying, but before that thing is played in this court, we need to watch it. Unless it's an exhibit already. Yeah.
That is equivalent, my lord, to say that before I ask a question, I should disclose it to opposite counsel.
My lord, do not show things, documents, or items, or videos to court without showing.
But he's asking the question.
Yes, I'm saying that before.
He's asking questions in cross-examination, and he's brought something to support the questions he's asking. And we are all here. We are going to look at it.
My lord, even an exhibit doesn't cross to the bench before it's looked at the bar. So there's no such thing.
It is not. It is not an.
Then why can't you wait?
Let's wait until we.
Mrs. Katanga, there is evidence that in prison you walk properly and unsupported. So when do you opt to walk supported, and when do you choose to walk unsupported?
I have never walked unsupported in prison. I went to prison when I was on a wheelchair. Since that time, you have the evidence and provide it.
It was your evidence, wasn't it, that as a result of the assault, your hands are still painful?
Yes, they are.
Do you have a signature? As a person, do you use a signature?
Yes, I do.
My lord, may I pray that the clerk hands her the paper and a pen to provide that signature to court. you need a book, we can read it. Can you also, are you also capable of writing your name? Ma'am, please keep
Yes.
calm. Are you?
Yes, please.
Oh, please include your name. Okay. Thank you. I pray to have it tendered as an exhibit. So, Madam Katanga, we take you to your story about the bathroom and the bedroom. You say your late husband assaulted you while in the bathroom.
Yes, my Lord.
And from the bathroom, he assaulted you at the door exiting the bathroom.
I beg your pardon.
You know, I can't even hear what you're
I
saying.
beg your pardon.
And from the bathroom, he also assaulted you at the door exiting the bathroom.
Yes, my Lord.
And also near the bed.
In the bedroom. In the bedroom.
Where in the bedroom?
Yes.
Near the bed.
There is space between the bed. There is space there in the
Space
bedroom.
between the door and the bed. The bathroom door and the bed.
And the bed, yes, there is space there.
Okay. That within that space.
Yeah.
So this court would be right to believe that I think it's clear, but you also tell this court that you opened the exit door using your elbows.
Yes, my Lord.
And again, Madam, how did you open that?
As I told this court, I
IT, can
crawled.
you just extend the microphone, Mrs. Katanga, so that she doesn't have to stretch just next to her mouth so that she doesn't have to struggle. Please go ahead.
I beg your pardon.
How did you open the door?
As I crawled to the door, I leaned against the door. It was a double door, and the door was a bit open. I used my elbow to push it wide, and I rolled out.
So in what posture did you lean to the door? Were you sitting? Were you kneeling?
I was
Were you
kneeling.
standing?
I was kneeling. I was on my knees.
On your knees.
Kneeling.
So which hand did you use to open the door?
It was the right hand.
Right hand, right elbow.
Yes.
And you were kneeling against the smaller portion of the door.
Yes, my lord.
I think I could just play. We have a video in this court about the status of your bedroom. Let me just do that for you to be clear. My lord, it is the exhibit that KP was exhibit number what? We tendered it during the witness for transcription. Let's just look it up. I didn't program that, just came up. Yes, she can be translated.
What video is it then?
Video KP, but we are getting the exhibit number. But the one of Patricia during scene reconstruction.
Please do the interpretation. PE, yes, PE 47D.
47D, yes. D. For door.
Tutandikire Munyegerwa Mwale Katanga agizibwe nti amurakira obu yabanze kuba mu maaso g'olutalo lw'amateeka luno yarahira kandi kiwejjukizibwe nti okukalira ku yarahiire kyamukwata nako okulola nti agambira olutalo luno amazima atalokintu byona kandi kimanyisibwe ngu akimanyire obw'aragamba ebisuba mu lukalo luno lw'amateeka kwikirizibwa olukalo luno okubikozesa mu mulingo ogutabe mulungi alyali kandi tugambire nti aikirize nti ibara ly'erindi niwe bananushe okwiroho aga Mole Katanga nti omugenzi akamulumba n'akozesa ekyokulwanyisa ekiyitibwa batuuni kandi ekikaba kiri kyekyoma kandi habw'ensonga ebyo akatunga ebizimba ebindi
omu mabeere kandi nabu yatunga n'oburwaire obwa puresha obwakaba taina kandi habw'okurumbibwa okwo takusobora kuroba tarundi kwemeera atakonyiirwe nti hariho amazima gakoleka nti obwaba ari omu nkomo asobora kurubata atakwasirweho ekintu ekyagambire nti tigari mazima habwokuba nobwakaba nagenda omu nkomo akagendera mu kagaali kabalema kandi takarubatahoga atakonyiirwe emikono ye yamuruma baitu nasobora okuhandiika omukono gwe omubugufu ekitukwezerempa ka sign kandi asoboire okubikora ebyo okuhandiika omukono gwe omubugufu kandi yagaruka yahandika n'ibara rye kandi ekihandiiko kino kisabirwe kiheebweyo mu rukaro runu rw'amateeka ekihairweyo ekyahikirizibwa kiri namba 10:10 omugenzi omunyoro we akamuromba omukinaabiro na harigi olw'okuturuka mu kinaabiro kandi yagaruka yamurumbira mu kicweka eki kiri hagati y'orwigi olw'okuturuka mu kinaabiro na akaturuka akakingura orwigi olw'okuturuka nakozesa enkokora kandi akava obu nayajura akajura bwajura kugenda harwigi olwo oluli lw'enkora emirundi ebiri kyonka olukaba luroho akacweka kamu akakingwiraho kataito yarusindika n'enkokora ye ey'oburyo ateize amaju obwo nagisirikire hari saidi akataito
A small correction, the exhibit number PE111, not PE1. Already had PE1.
Because this machine is teasing me. She was as we sort out this one. Hello, the flash we are just making also a correction. The flash where that video is actually prostitution exhibit 50, and then the other one was what? And then the number we gave before is that the document, the transcription of 47D, but the flash is exhibit 50. Let's try if it doesn't. Saving very slow. No, video saves very slow. Saving very slow. As the video saves, as
Sorry. I thought the court already has the video. Is my landfill bringing a new video? Well, you asked for prosecution exhibit 49 from the court to play.
And he stated that 49 was an error. 49, 47
It says 50. It says
47
50.
was the transcription. It was
50. Yes. No, my lord, can we play the one at court?
Mr. Karuhanga, I am.
the one of,
My lord, we can't play things from this.
Is that the
The
one
court has
that,
prosecution exhibit 50.
Well, my
Mr. Morgan, is that the one that put her?
My lord, we don't do it.
but why is Mr. Karuhanga anxious?
Is that the one that Mr. Morgan?
Yes. Yes.
Is that the one that
Yeah, it is the exact
So let
video.
us get it.
Yeah, it's the exact video. And if Mr. Karuhanga is in doubt, he also has the same copy. And he doesn't know even how far I am taking this. Yeah. Okay, fine. Fine.
Or is this going to affect?
So let me be doing the follow-up questions. Mrs. Katanga will come back to this area. But let's be proceeding. Is that okay with you? So in the adjacent bedroom that you stated you went to,
Yes, my lord.
is that a bedroom belonging to Arthur
Yes, my lord.
Katanga?
Yes, please.
And at the time, Arthur Katanga wasn't at home.
Was not.
So this bedroom, whose occupant is absent, was closed. How did you open it?
It was open because we were using that bedroom. It was open, my lord.
Confirm that while in that bedroom, you called George by your own voice. Did you?
I don't remember, but
Okay. I will therefore be correct to say you never instructed George to call your daughters. Will I be correct? Form that opinion.
I beg your pardon.
You never instructed George to call your daughters.
No, I did not.
But at some point, George and your daughters actually came and found you in that bedroom. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Which daughters came?
I think both of them came, Patricia and Martha.
You want to be sure about your answer.
Rephrase the question. What do you mean?
Which of the two daughters came first?
I don't know.
Madam Katanga, where was Sima Mutamba by the time your daughters came?
I don't know. I'm sure he was in the house.
And just for the record, how old is Sima?
He was born 2012.
Born 2012, fair enough. We first pray. Interpretation. Yeah.
Ekisiika kyabwe kyabakolo ekisiika ekya Katanga kandi Hawirowo akabatali muka baitu ekisiika kikaba kikingwirwe kuba bakaba nabo ne bakikozesa omutwe wakabatalowo kyakwijjuka nti akeeta George owakaba ali omu kisiika ekyo kandi atagambeho George ndi atamuragire okweta abahara ababiri baitu bakaija akasumye kayongera maiso bakamara baija baitu takumanya oba yabandize kwija kandi ekindi takumanya Sima ali akaba ali sahiga yenyini baitu ekyakumanya nti akaba ali omuntu omwo Sima akazaalwa omwaka wa 2012.
Let's take it to about minute 8:40. Ready? Yeah. 8:40. 8:40. 8. Can even begin at 8. Yeah. Let's start there.
Let's see. Let us Duchess, you know, emphasis, Duchess, let's keep
take it up to 40.
I think the first one is, and then this one here, and then the brown ones on the side. So we are now going to the demonstration since we are now already in the house. Okay, so show us around here. Is the place open?
What's the one right over here?
Yes.
You are going to, okay, you are going to pause when Ologu is at that door. Take it back. David, you're going to pause again when Ologu is at that door. When it's open.
Yes, when you reach.
David, please go back and follow what we are telling you. You could even reduce the volume if it's possible. Yes. Yes. Then you will pause when Ologu is at that door. That man there.
Oh, I came back.
No, at the door, please. Okay, that's it. Okay. Just hold. Miss Katanga, that is the door you're talking about.
Yes, my lord. Talk loudly.
Can you please?
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, please. Outer part of the door.
Yes.
That is not inside the
No,
bedroom.
it is outside.
So the height of that door is way above the waist. Can you observe it?
The height of the door is about
The height of the lock for the door. Thank you, bro. You observe that?
Yes.
Actually, I will request that you play until also Patricia is at that door. That's all. Yeah. So take us to until Patricia is also at that door. Yes. So for a person of Patricia's height, you realize that that lock is by slightly above her waistline. Her waist.
Yeah.
You realize?
Yes.
Okay. My Lord, I'm going to humbly request your indulgence for Patricia to just stand here and we get the height of her waist.
Cannot use the accused person as an exhibit.
She's not being used as an exhibit.
You cannot support him and give evidence to him, my lord.
No.
She has accused her. She has a right to defend herself.
My Lord, Mr. Karuhanga can go on record that he is opposing the accused person, because Patricia is an accused person before this court.
Yes, I am opposing the accused person being a prop. I'm on record.
No, we can't measure from there.
Yeah,
We are on a fact-finding mission.
Yes.
The height of partition relative to the door is important.
But it is there, my
No,
lord.
I overruled you. Let's partition and we measure. We are on fact-finding.
May we request the camera person, because I want to use that door.
Patricia is helping us. No, she's not.
But if Patricia was not in that video, I would not be asking her. She is the one in the video.
Patricia, please come.
We have a marker or something. Patricia, just here. Yes, there, where you are pointing. There. Okay. Can you just help us? Can you just help us touch just slightly above her waistline? No. On the wood.
Yes.
No, just touch there. We want to mark that place. So that is the intention. Do we have a marker?
Let's measure from where court can see.
Yes.
The court can see from there, but where have you one point are we marking as the height of the door of the hand?
Let Madam Samari think let go and the mark.
I think now somebody may assault her.
Yeah, Patricia, just place behind this. Okay. Yes. Is that acceptable? Can we mark that place? Okay. Thank you so much, Patricia.
Have anyone in the nation? Because we will not say halfway or
My Lord, even without a measure, I think I can make the point I am making. Isn't it? I shall still make the point I am making. And do we have any mat? I had carried a mat. I don't want the witness to darten herself. Yes. Just make sure that the place is well laid.
My lord, this is a better demonstration if we had done it. The door is still there. The person is there. Whatever he wants to demonstrate, we can do. Because my lord,
we marked it.
So now, Madam Katanga, you just told this court that you crawled to the door.
Yes, my lord.
Because you could not stand.
Yes.
And while kneeling, you used your elbow to open the door.
Yes.
I just want you to go that place there, in the position you say you were, and demonstrate to this court how possible is it for your elbow to open a lock.
my lord, she did not say. No.
I did not open the lock. The door was open. just used my elbow to push it wide.
We can still have that on record. It's still good enough.
But
my
how?
lord. It's still good enough.
No. To do what?
Mrs. Katanga, let's play prosecution.
Okay, my lord.
You
Let us first record that answer. Not open your law.
evidence in chief.
Yes, yes.
So if she changes, it's still good. Yeah, that's still good enough. Let's look for evidence in chief. My lord, I'm trying to establish her version in chief on the door opening. Yes, my lord, at the incident of opening the door.
When he was calling me, he opened the exit door from the door was locked at first. I had him turn with the key opening. After he called me and I did not answer, he did not say anything apart from I'm going to eat myself. Then I had a big bang. I knew he had a gun and I thought he had. After that, there was silence. After some time, I don't know how long, I tried to stand, but I could not stand. I crawled to the exit door. The exit door was a double door. I then leaned on the smaller door as I tried to open the door. I used my elbow to open the door handle until it opened and I continued crawling.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
Mrs. Katanga, you told this court that you used your elbow to open the door handle. Do you remember telling that to court?
Yes, I remember, but what I
Do
meant.
you remember is the question? Do you now want to change that you never opened the lock, you just pushed the door?
I'm not changing.
Which of the two should court take?
When I leaned against this door.
Please, the question is clear.
Which
Okay, can you hold it?
So I'm just writing that court reads out portion of the examination in chief relating to the accused person rolling out.
Yes.
Then you can.
And I'm putting it to you that during evidence in chief, you told this court that you used your elbow to open the door lock. Or the door handle.
What?
Remember stating so? The question is clear.
Yes, I remember.
You did.
Yes.
Okay.
But the door was not locked.
Relax. It is me asking the answers. It's me that gets satisfied with the answers. It's me asking the questions. Yeah, I advise you, ma'am, to speak a little up because it is in. Yeah. Do you maintain or you want to change that you did not open the door by the door handle? Do you maintain or you want to change now?
I'm not changing anything. What I'm
Are
saying,
you maintaining therefore?
the door was open. The door was open. What I did like this to hold the handle door to get out.
So you did.
There was nothing, there was no force.
Okay.
It was just because it was not closed.
So you are saying that, and then you used your elbow to open the handle.
It was open already. The door was open, but I used it to widen the space to get out.
Mrs. Katanga, the reason you changed the version of your testimony now is because you realized that what you told the court in your evidence in chief is an impossibility. You cannot be kneeling and you be aided to open the door handle.
I can, and I did. I'm not changing anything, my lord. I'm not.
My lord, that answer is good for the record.
It says it's not true that I'm changing my mind. I used my elbow to wipe it.
Yes.
This demonstration will come right. So when your daughters come, did you tell them what had happened?
I did not, my lord.
It is Patricia that drove you to hospital.
Yes, my lord.
As you moved from home to Bugorobi Medical Center, did you tell her what had happened?
I did not.
Did any of your daughters ask you what had happened?
No.
From home in Bugorobi all the way to Bugorobi Medical Center, did Patricia ask you what had happened to you?
I was too.
Did she or did she not?
She did not.
She did not.
I don't remember anyone. I was in severe pain. Yeah.
Says, my lord, the first answer was that she did not.
But
Then after that,
yes.
yes.
What we did here was the last.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please use the microphone. It is important that your lawyers hear so that they can be of help to you.
I have a throat.
So just, you can even adjust that thing too. So how did you know you were at Bugorobi Medical Center?
How did she know that she was at Bugorobi Medical Center?
I think either I was told later or I think I was told.
Madam Katanga, you walked yourself from Bugorobi Medical Center to the ambulance.
I don't remember. Sincerely, I don't remember that.
But you remember sitting in the ambulance, do you?
I think. I don't.
I can't hear you.
I think. I don't remember. I don't remember really.
Okay. I'm going to ask court to remind you what you just said a couple of days ago about
It's okay.
your story in the ambulance. My lord.
I was driven hospital by Rural Medical Center. Rural Medical Center, what happened. I remember when I was in an accident. Remember them putting me in the car. What I realized next was that I was being put in the ambulance. From there, I was taken. I don't remember because I was always in and out.
Do you now want to confirm that you remember being on a stretcher in an ambulance at Vugolobi?
Yes.
You also remember that at IHK, many people came and assisted you on a stretcher.
Yes.
It is your testimony, isn't it, that you told this court that you don't remember seeing a police officer swabbing you?
I don't remember that.
You don't remember saying that?
No, seeing the police officer swabbing me.
Would you have recognized that police officer
When?
if she came?
I don't know when she came.
That day you arrived at Vugolobi at IHK, would you have recognized her?
I never saw her. So
Would you have recognized her?
I don't know.
You don't know if you would have recognized her.
Yes.
If she had come.
If she had come.
Is it therefore your position that you don't know whether or not that police officer came and swabbed you?
I never saw her. I did not see her.
Are you in position to tell whether or not she came?
I don't know. I never saw her. I don't know if she came or she did not come.
Were you capable of seeing her if she had come?
Depending when.
On when you were delivered at IHK?
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Okay, fair enough. Was Patricia at IHK with you? I'm talking about
I think.
2nd November 2023.
I think she was.
Sorry?
I don't remember well, but I think. I'm not sure.
What is the answer? Is it that she
I'm
doesn't
not sure.
know or she doesn't remember?
I'm not sure.
Those answers.
Okay.
Hmm.
I don't.
My Lord, what has she said? I beg your pardon.
I'm not sure.
You know Mr. Geoffrey Kamuntu, do you?
Yes.
Was Mr. Geoffrey Kamuntu
She was, I don't remember.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Are you?
Captures the idea.
was Mr. Geoffrey Kamuntu at IHK?
When, my Lord?
Oh, 2nd. We are on, Madam, we are on 2nd November 2023.
Yes, he was.
Hmm?
Yes, he was.
As from the time of your arrival, how long did it take him to come?
I don't know.
When did you know that he was present?
I don't remember, but I know he was. I don't know what time. I don't know how I got to know that he was around.
Madam,
But I'm sure he came.
did you know in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening?
Not
Of
that
that
day.
day.
Not that day. Not that day.
Was Martha at IHK?
I never saw her.
Throughout your time at IHK, do you remember being taken for an MRI examination?
Yes, my Lord.
Where were you taken?
Ruby's. Ruby.
Please speak to the microphone.
Ruby's.
Is Ruby's a hospital or clinic?
I don't know.
You
Was
don't know.
taken to me.
Let's finish this. And, ma'am, this is Ruby's along Yusufurule Road. Correct?
Lugogo bypass.
Lugogo bypass. Okay. And you are aware, madam, that you were afforded a report of that MRI. Did you get a report of your MRI examination?
The doctors had those reports, not me.
Did you ever look at the report from MRI?
No,
The question is clear.
no, I said no.
But you confirm that you were under the management of IHK. It is IHK that took you for this particular MRI exam.
Yes, my lord.
kutegereza nti nti okuruga hansi okuweka hanyugunyu ali haiguruho okusinga ekinyaroro ky'orwigi kandi kino nakyo kolekeibwe ahali Patricia ekitambira nti akajura okugya ha rwigi kandi akaba ateze amaju yasindika olwigi n'enkokora olukaba lukingwirweira amazima gali olwigi luno taliniwa yarukingwire lukaba lukingwirweira we akozakozesa enkokora okwongeraho okugazihya olwigi asobole kurabamu kandi nahabwekyo taine ekyakugindura omu byona ebeije nagambira olutalo amateeka luno okuruga obwatandikire okuha mu bwakaisorwe kandi abahari abo baizire atabagambire ekibaireho na Patricia wakaba namuvuga namutwara mu irwaro eryo lya bugorobi nawe atamugambire kyona kandi Patricia atamukaguze kyona ekyabaire kibaireho baitu takubijuka rondi akamukaguza rondi atamukaguza bwokuba akaba ali mu bulumi bwingi muno kandi akutekereza nti akagambirwa bugambirwa nti ali bugolobi omwirwaro go gali mazima takwijuka nti akarubataho nakakigoza katiito okugenda mu motoka etwara abalwaire abali kubi akutekereza akwijuka nti akaba akaikaraho omumotoka egyo baitakukiriza nti akwijuka nibamutwara ali akagari kabalwaire nibamutwara omotoka etwara abalwaire bakabali obugolobirwaro kandi nabo
You want to say about my instructions? I say the documents were fabricated with exaggerations.
Why
Don't know.
would one
Okay.
exaggerate?
Fair enough.
Does not know why one.
From your testimony and evidence in chief, your hands, right hand is supposed to be broken. Even the left hand is broken. Just confirm that that is your evidence.
Yes, it is my evidence.
I want you to demonstrate this court how then you were in position to crawl with broken arms.
You know, when you are in a situation like the situation I was in,
Demonstrate, please, not
how do I demonstrate?
Please go ahead, ma'am.
When you are in a situation like the situation I was in, you would have crawled also for your life.
Madam, it's not me answering.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
told you I have 1,000 instructions.
What
so.
I'm saying, I cannot explain how,
Okay.
but this is what it was.
So you can't explain how you crawled, but you
I
crawled anyway.
I crawled in severe pain, but I had to crawl out of that room.
From your testimony yesterday, previously, the police afforded you with an opportunity to make a statement. Isn't that true?
I beg your pardon?
Ma'am, I'm going to request you to listen. Kindly, please. Did the police offer you an opportunity to record a statement about what happened to your husband?
Yes.
How many times?
Once.
Did you record a statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Please confirm that the story you told this court during your evidence in chief, you never disclosed it to the police. Did you?
I did not.
You did not. So I'm putting it to you, Madam, that the first time you tell the story in your evidence is when you appeared before the judge.
Yes.
Just for clarity, I know you did, but confirm you are a businesswoman.
Yes, I am.
Did you start a business?
To do business, you study business.
Answer.
No.
Madam Katanga, please,
No.
just provide the answers.
No.
Don't let Mr. Harrison, who happens to be my good friend, not disrupt you. So you never started business, fair enough. May you just tell this court your level of formal education?
That's personal.
Answer.
This court would want to know whether you attained any formal education, and it's absolutely okay. Whether you studied or not, it's not offensive.
That's personal. I insist.
And you?
My Lord, court can put it on record that she has declined to answer that question.
Yes.
No? It doesn't matter.
Unless my lamp can let back from.
Okay, so being that the level of your formal education, and again, I implore, this question is not intended to embarrass you in any way, but we are under duty to establish certain facts. So please be at peace, ma'am. If the level is personal, just tell this court if you attained any formal education.
It's personal.
It's also personal. Okay. And this is our last take on your reserved personal information. Did you at least ever go to school?
That's personal.
Personal. Ms. Katanga, do you have any medical or training?
I beg your pardon?
You have any medical training?
No.
So I want you to confirm to this court that your conclusions about your husband's stress, depression, mental breakdown was not based on professional assessment, but your personal deductions as a lay person. Is that correct?
As somebody who had lived with him for many years.
My question is specific, ma'am.
Okay.
Stress, depression, mental breakdown is not based on her professional assessment,
No.
but her deductions as a layperson.
Yes.
Is that fair? About this Aponye story, I am instructed that Mr. Aponye died on the 6th of July, 2023. That's something in your knowledge.
I don't remember the dates.
You remember July 2023? You remember July 2023?
Yes.
Okay. You also remember, don't you, that Mr. Henry Katanga actively participated in the burial arrangements of Mr. Aponye?
We both did.
Including yourself?
Yes.
Great. And it is in your knowledge that after burial, Herod, Aponye's son, met with Mr. Kasanga and restructured Aponye's loans. That something in your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, it could be in your knowledge that as a result of the loss of his good friend, even Henry, your husband, reduced the interest from 3% to 2% in the restructuring negotiations of.
That one I don't know.
That one you don't know. Fair enough. I just want you to be very clear on record that the issue was not about Henry failing to pay any person his money, but Henry Katanga failing to pay any person his money, but people failing to pay his money back.
Yes.
It was your testimony that you offered your husband advice to calm down because Aponye had left a company which was capable of paying. Was that your advice?
It was.
You stayed with your late husband for over 30 years, as court had. You obviously know his handwriting. You can identify his signature if he authored any document. So easily. When you say,
Yes, yes,
okay,
fine.
yes, that's what we want. Please interpret the meantime.
Is that enough?
China ekyakukimanyaho kandi kyakukwijuka kandi takumanya mulingo gyakozerwe baitu okugira nti bikaleswa abatonganirizi be balina kuba bakiikire airwaro lino akaba naheebwa obujjanjabi baitu amazima gaatyo takusobola kugamanya kandi takusobola kumanya ensonga habwaki ebihandiiko ebimu byakozerwa muno okwoleka ekisani ekindi ekisani nikyo ekiroho emikono yoona kimanyisibwe nti ekacweka baitu ngu omukasumi akabaromo omuntu weena lwokuba totakusobola okaba nosobola kuwajura akukuba akabalina kukiza obwomeezi bwe abakozi ekitengere kya poliisi bakamuha omugisa okuweereza okukola ekihandiiko ekikoleka ebyabaireho ebyakire hali omunyolo we omulungi gumugonga baitu atasobole kukola kandi nti oluganiso lwagambire olukalo lwamateeka luno nikyo atugambireho poliisi kandi omulundi okubanjiza ekimo okubawe n'abazze bitugwisana biti nikwo omulundi okubanza oguyaleeterwe omu maiso owekitiinisa omulamuzi ali mukazi akwekozesa ebyowenka okusoma kwe nahali yakandiire nahali yasomeire olundi obwalabako yasomereho okwikara omu kitebe akasomesebwa ebyo byona bye omuntu tibiri byokugambira olwikaro lwamateeka luno kandi taina tendeke bwona omu yemibazi kandi nti byona ebyayetegereize hali omugenzi kuba nti talina businge kuba nti akutalibanizibwa kandi n'okuba nti obwongo bwe bukaba butakola kulungi byona bitarugiire hali okutegeezebwa omuntu asomeseibwe lungi ategekeibwe omunyoro akonye akafebruari okwezi 6 okwomusanju omwaka 2023 baitu takujuka ebiro bino kyonka nakimanya nti boona babiri we n'omunyoro ngesenole boona bakabamu n'amaanyi muno okutegeka okuziika omunyoro ono hanyuma y'okuziika omutabani wakonye akwetebwa Herod abakaikara n'omunyoro Henry bagarukamu okwetegereza amabanja gano kandi ensimbi ezaali zekoleibwe wanti bakategeeza obuteekateeka obukaba bwina kugarurwa okusasulwa kandi nti Henry atabeera kizibu kyona okusasula sente z'abantu abangi okwiyaho abantu akabanekizibu n'abantu okusasula esente ezo ezakaba abakozere kandi ngu akamuha amagezi asobole okuteeka naliko okutuulira habwokuba omunyoro akonya kaba alekereho kampuni ekaba nesobora kuba nensasula kandi obusumi bwayitaire omunyoro Henry akusobora kwetegereza omukono gwe omubikufu akusangwa aba aina hali yawandiikire.
Please look. So return that one. That's why I'm saying return that one if it's not helpful.
See what you want.
Satisfy themselves that
This copy which you want to give to the client is what you should do.
But you see, they are not the one who's answering the question.
Yes, that's the one that I like to give them a copy of
Yes.
what
You are not
let them
aware,
just
yeah.
satisfy themselves.
It says that you want to.
Can I have the documents, please? Yeah. I'm still putting more. So don't worry about the volume. You will know when I get there. You can retain those. Ma'am, first focus on the 3 documents on top. In that order which I gave you.
What is the order?
Have you the first 3 documents on top? Okay, so let's go, please. You're good?
What?
The first three. Do you recognize the first three documents?
This doesn't seem to be his signature. What I remember is not this.
Do you still recollect what question you are answering?
No.
Okay. Can I repeat it for you?
Yeah, sure.
You recognize the first three documents on top.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Use the mic.
Yes.
Disturbing my colleague. Apologies for doing that. And then I think some background is maybe my colleague was very keen on section 1.
Yeah.
Maybe rather than putting documents that are certainly not authored by the witness, not signed by the witness, not naming the witness anywhere, I think it's important that the witness's connection to the document must first be established.
Question whether they can identify the handwriting.
One of
Did
these.
ask that question.
One of these days.
Ask that question. Ask this person about a question and I write answers about whether he had lived for over that year. And she stated that she had lived with me so that she can identify his handwriting and his signature. And she stated that yes.
I'm not the document.
The signature and handwriting is constitutional. Let us wait and see what he does.
Madam Katanga, do you recognize is the question? The first three documents.
Yes.
What are they?
They are loan agreement.
Please speak in the
Loan
microphone.
agreement. That's what I said.
Between which parties?
Between Henry and Aponi.
The first is dated when?
June 16th.
Use the mic.
June 16th, 2023.
And the second?
August 2023.
About the third?
31st August 2023. When? 31st August 2023.
Go back to the first document. How much was involved?
100 million.
About the second?
300 million.
About the fourth?
600 million.
I mean the third?
600 million.
And that would be a total of how much?
One-
600, 300,
1 billion.
100.
1 billion. 1 billion.
Your husband operated an account with Bank of Baroda.
Yes, please.
When did you know that you operated a Baroda account?
I don't remember. I don't remember.
But you had known that for many years.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please go to the next document? The fourth document. My Lord, the witness will tell them which one is the fourth, and they will follow. No, my Lord, with due respect, no. I know what they are trying to do. My Lord, they are about to know, because that is my next question. I am not going to turn into a witness. Kindly, please.
Because the first one was the 100, the second one was that was 600. Now, how many other documents do you have? No, how many in total do you have?
The three we have done with another.
So let him be patient.
My Lord, even those details you are just reading, it is not me that testified. It is that witness that told us what the first document is about.
You're saying that the order she has this.
Yes.
I gave the documents in the order. But since these are just 6 documents, once the witness identifies the fourth document, my Lord, I know what my colleagues want to do. Or let them pay attention. If we hand them documents in a particular order, let them maintain them as such, so that the process is not disrupted. I wrote this should be the last time to play this organ. I'm of course most obliged.
What he made in order was when he gave
Yet,
because the dates are different, the amounts they are different. So the team agreed.
That's the order.
My lord, they even have chronological dates, so they could have easily.
That's a serious objection because we asked in this trial and they refused. Give us the documentation we recovered from that. Now, in cross-examination, they are bringing it. So we also want to know on the record that the prosecution actually withheld evidence that was in their possession and told my lord that they don't have it.
My lord, we shall get there. Is raising objections prematurely.
They didn't disclose.
No, my lord, they told you, my lord, that they are not going to disclose, that is not what they have, that they can only disclose what is in their possession, and they don't have anything from that.
But
They said
if
it.
they
And
said
now,
they did how could they disclose what they do?
they have it. They have it. These are documents from the office. In fact, we asked, and they sort of an administration case. They asked. So we are not objecting to him asking, but we just want the record to show a prosecution conducting a prosecution in a murder trial by ambush. But we have it. Let us proceed. We shall defeat the ambush.
Yeah, my lord, lucky enough, Mr. Karuhanga knows what the documents are, even where they were got. He has sufficient knowledge of even where they were supposed to be. He just said it, that there are documents which were in office.
So he knows.
So, so they are not hidden. Madam, what is the fourth document? You could put the three aside, but keep them in that order. You can find the head part first. Put the three aside. No, this one, the court order. You can use that to help you to put them aside. The first three, you can put them aside. Put them upside down there. Okay, you will keep adding. So what is that fourth document?
He said it's a payment auto bank new voucher.
Use the microphone, please.
Payment auto bank new voucher. Maponi.
Payment.
Voucher.
Dated
2nd August 2023.
Who is being paid?
Henry.
Henry who?
Katanga Henry.
How much?
20 million.
Go to the accompanying document, the fourth document. What is it?
Funds transfer request.
This fund transfer form, does it bear the same date
Yes.
of 2nd August 2023?
Yes.
They are still transferring these funds to Henry Katanga,
Yes, please.
and it is 20 millions.
Yes.
And they are paying these funds what bank account? Please read the bank account code.
950.
Just use the mic, ma'am.
950 204 00001 5
After the 5 zeros,
166 166.
which bank?
Bank of Baroda.
Who is paying? You can't read. You can't read my witness. Who was paying?
Aponye.
Aponye who?
Aponye Uganda Limited.
Aponye Uganda Limited. Ma'am, go to the next document, the 5th document.
Aponye Uganda Limited.
What is the document?
Payment Auto Bank New Voucher.
Good. Go to the annexed, the attached, the annexed document to that document. Is it a fund transfer form?
Yes.
Dated when?
31st August 2023.
31st?
August 2023.
How much is being banked?
20 million.
Is it the same account and bank?
Yes.
Is it Aponye banking?
Yes, please.
Go to the next document. Direct to the annexure of the 4th document. What is it?
Payment Auto Bank.
That voucher is dated when?
8th September.
How much is being paid?
101,466,667.
To whom is this money being paid?
Katanga Henry.
Is it on the same account and bank?
Yes, please.
Just go to the next. What is the date for the next fund transfer document?
Payment Auto Bank.
Payment. Okay, maybe it's the document is still payment
Yes.
voucher.
Yes.
Which date?
6th October
6th October, which year?
2023.
Okay. How much is being paid?
18 million.
To who?
To Henry Katanga.
By who?
By Aponye.
The next.
Payment Auto.
Dated when?
1st November.
How much is being paid?
18 million.
To who?
To Henry Katanga.
By who?
By Aponye.
Is it on the same account
Yes.
and bank in Baroda?
Yes, please.
You may place the documents back in their order. Madam Katanga, from the documents, do you acknowledge that Aponye did not only restructure the loans and made agreements as you earlier told the court during your evidence, but he was also paying, the company was paying even after the death of Mr. Aponyi.
I beg your pardon?
From those documents,
Yes, please.
do you recognize that there is evidence that Aponyi company was paying even after the death of Mr. Aponyi?
Yes.
My Lord, I pray to tender the documents. That is the agreement dated 6th June 2023, 30th August 2023, 31st August 2023, together with the payment vouchers and their respective fund transfer forms dated 2nd August 2023, 31st August 2023, 8th September 2023, 6th October 2023, and 1st November 2023 as exhibits.
First time. No, no. Coming. No, in fact, they said they wouldn't. They refused. That is of the court to allow us to take instruction.
So you respond.
My Lord, can they take instructions and respond? The client is here.
What is this? But first of all, you have 1.5 billion. Now I'm saying 1.1 billion. And the way they were paying, you pay 18 million, then someone is paying 100. If it was just an original, oh, but still, even if it would be 1.5 billion. They don't pay.
They're not preliminary payments.
see, for when he was due. No, for him, he was making money. Huh? Apollo was doing the videos. He said he would buy videos. For him, this was lending money. Yes. Not one. I don't see another document. Yes. Yeah. Yes. No, our client is saying it was 100. It was 1.5 billion. But this, they have got and if someone is owing 1.5 billion, we start paying 10 million. It's frustrating. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You understand? Those are the first documents. Actually, final document. You sign it.
Yes. But it's less. Okay.
Yeah.
No.
After
She
that,
said
She has not finished.
okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
let them.
Let you be let her be interpreting. Oh, let's mark first. Yes.
You take it.
Let's mark. Let's mark.
Going to. Exactly.
So the agreement we last dated at
So you want something?
Done what?
what? They said we tender.
2.5.
My lord, the person in principle does not have an objection. However, the documents themselves do not, according to the accused person, present a complete picture of transaction. And under section 64, 1G of the Evidence Act, where
So the shares no picture.
That is
it is
it.
saying that the total number of agreements and things and everything has not been brought. So the
But
totality,
this is what has.
Yes.
yes, yes.
What is looking at this?
And that's why we're addressing court in section 64, 1G. Evidence Act. Which, especially no, and look, we need a, I think the section is the fact to be proved must be the general result of the whole collection. Saying the whole collection. of
Which
the
sec?
agreements,
Which section?
64. And she's saying that the whole collection of documents has been presented. Otherwise, 64-1G. So my lord, what we are asking really is the guidance, I think, of the court. The accused person is saying, I don't, they are not giving me a full set of the documentation. I don't have a problem with what they're giving me, but they need to give me a full set.
But now we are determining that we are making a determination on what has been presented. For now, this is what is being presented.
She's saying it's
Yes.
that's what she's saying. No, can you protect me from honorable hecklers?
Just no objection. There is another set that she says there is another set, but
Yeah, maybe. There is.
there
There is.
or there may be.
There is.
What is it? There may be or
There is.
but the witness
And they are hidden from us.
Mr. Karuman, the witness has stated that she has no objection. For these three that have been, we are going to admit them and then we will determine the matter based on what has been admitted. What you have stated, what you're saying about other things that have not been admitted, you will bring in submissions, you matter.
And I'm still bringing.
But he needs to disclose what he's bringing.
Those that once.
He needs to understand disclosure. It's a subject that is allergic to, but he really needs to learn how to disclose.
Disclosure doesn't arise when I don't hand you over my process examination.
Yeah.
Even the things you get late, you disclose.
Yes.
No, not in cross, ma'am.
And then he doesn't disclose at all, except by force. That we know from experience.
So we are
Katanga,
taking these ones,
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
shall remain with them for now. When the trial ends, there's no answer.
Then
We
you
will
raise it.
make our determination based on what has been disclosed.
Yeah.
If others come, we shall.
If you
If they don't come, then we will attack them.
Much obliged. And could you also ask them to say,
Came into my mind, but I restrained So we start with the agreement dated 112. What his date is? So that's it. 16th June is 112.
And this will be
113.
31st.
31st is 113.
114,
Not 16th. June is 112.
yes,
August 30th is 113.
yes.
Then the other date is
31st August, it will be 114.
then the vouchers.
We have the vouchers dated 2nd August 2023. It will be 115. My lord, it has an attachment of the person who has named the payment date and the voucher. So it will be 115 there. And the
So it is a payment voucher and the what?
and the fund transfer form.
So the fund transfer form is 115. Or is it the voucher?
My lord, the proposed is 15115A. Then the transfer, the fund transfer is what we are proposing to be 1115A. So the next voucher is dated by the 1st August.
That one is 116A. Yes, and the fund transfer 116.
Yes, my lord. 8 now, September.
The voucher is 1170 and the fund transfer corresponding is 117.
Yes. Yes, and the pay and the fund transfer.
Fund is 1188.
Just there.
It's 6 October.
Yes.
Payment payment the voucher of 6 is 1188. The corresponding fund transfer 118. The last is dated 1st November. The one of 1st November is dated, it is 1198. And the fund transfer is 118. Handiko bino byonna ebireeserwe kyaleero kino abirozere kandi akubyetegereza biri bihandiiko byenyikiraniza hagati ya Henry hariho omwezi gw'omukaaga omwezi 16 2023 hariho ekihandiiko eby'okwezi 38 omwaka nigw'ogumu n'ekyasatu na kimu omwaka nigw'ogumu. Ekihandiiko ekikubanza kiriho ensimbi za Uganda ezikuŋŋaŋŋana obukaikuro 100, ekyakabiri kiina ensimbi za Uganda obukaikuro 300, n'ekindi kiina ensimbi za Uganda obukaikuro 600 kandi zoona hamu nizo akawunti kamu ak'ensimbi eza Uganda. Omunyoro we akaba nayahura na bank ekwetebwa bank eya Baroda kandi ekyo akaba kimanyire okumara emyaka nyingi. Balina ebihandiiko bingi ebyensasura ezire neekorwa kandi hariho ekihandiiko ekyosasura ekyakozere kwezi 4 kiri kyokusasura omunyoro Henry Katanga emiliyoni 20 bagaruka babaho n'okuhereza kw'esente okw'emiliyoni 20 akawunti kanamba eya banka y'ekihoro kya banka eri 55 noti 2 noti 4 noti 5 omu banka niyemu kandi obwo nibasasurwa kampuni ya Aponye. Hakabaho ekihandiiko ekyakozerwe kwezi 5 ekihandiiko ekyakataano ekyakozerwe nakyo kiri kyokusasurwa kw'ensimbi
ezikwingana emiliyoni 20 ebyokwezi 31 kwezi kwa munana kandi nazo niziruga mu kampuni ya Akonye kandi n'ebindi bizindi bihonderaho ekyerokwezi 8 ku mwenda nakyo byona biri byokusasulwa ensimbi okuruga hari kampuni ya Akonye kandi kitegezeebwe nti omunyororo Akonye n'obwakaba afiire kampuni ekasigara nesasura amabanja agakaba alekeroho. Ebibandiko bino bibaire bingi baitu byona hanyuma ya byona bihairweyo mu rukaro runo rw'amateeka kandi bikirizibwe okuba kimu hari ebizibiti eby'orukaro runo rujja kuba nirukozesa omu maitaho.
Stop proposing that we do an early break.
And I was proposing another break because of the performance. Unless
I know we are proposing a break, then we should reserve some sufficient time.
sorry.
Can be back at 1:30.
Come back at 1:30.
Did you understand? Did you understand? Okay. I think the game is as soon as it's correct.